Sustainability has been a major focus for many companies over the past several years. Many businesses have committed to providing sustainable manufacturing to reduce environmental footprint, eliminate waste, and increase safety, efficiency, and create corporate responsibility. In order to protect our natural resources, initiatives have been taken towards sustainability, including reducing emissions, living cleaner lifestyles, and recycling materials. Many governments have even designed laws designated to advance sustainability practices, such as Clean Water Act, the Clean Air Act, and renewable fuel standards. BKT has been a leader in sustainability for several years. We believe it is the key to healthy growth and producing tires responsibly. Because of the green energy generated through wind and solar projects on the manufacturing sites, many of the electrical needs of our plants are being met. The first windmill was set up in 2004, and now green energy supplies 50% of the electricity for our production plants in North India. Many other improvements have been made to our manufacturing facilities over the past few years. Coal-fired burners have been replaced with gas-fired boilers. Water is now recycled from large on-site water reservoirs, and solar panels are being implemented. Because of these green initiatives, BKT has been awarded certificates and awards for sustainability practices. The ISO 14001:2015 certification and the District Sustainability Award by the U.S. Department of Energy and Environment has been obtained, as well as many energy conservation awards. BKT is dedicated to continuing towards the path of full sustainability by conserving water, managing waste, and material management. The goal is for all plants to be fed with solar power by 2025. These are just a few ways BKT strives to keep the company's core values of quality, trust, excellence, innovation, and leadership. To learn more about BKT, please visit bkt-tires.com. Thank you.